Hi everybody, happy Boxing Day. I know you all are thinking, what, 2 unboxing videos in a row in 2 days? What kind of life is she leading? It's called Christmas, and I got 2 boxes that I really wanted for Christmas. Yesterday was the Shadow Hunters, Flick the Wick, and today we are unboxing Harry Potter from Dreamy and Company, and oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay. Again, like the Shadow Hunters box, I had Tony open it to make sure that nothing was broken since it was going to be months before I opened it. So, here we go. First off, we have a gorgeous enamel pin. I love enamel pins. It is just as sane as from Luna Lovegood with her glasses to see nargles. I've got a bookmark, starting quite the collection of bookmarks, and I'm actually using them more now versus receipts or anything I have laying around. It says, we are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided, and it does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live. Sorry, it was the Hogwarts Express box, and it's very pretty. I love Dreamy and Company boxes. I have a Fred and George print. A little sad after reading Deathly Hallows, but whatevs. On the other side, it says, it takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends, with our favorite trio on the bottom. That one's a lot more happy. Not focusing today. But this one's a lot more happy than the other side. There we go. I have a small Patronus Charm candle, which is honeydew, green leaves, and vanilla from Flick the Wick, which my entire box was from yesterday. Ooh, that smells good. Got Patronus Charm. Pretty color too. I've got a small pin which says Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Slytherin. They look adorable. Almost Wizard of Oz type thing. I know there is a style that this is, but I don't know it. A wooden bookmark. One side says, I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. The other says, it is our choices, Harry, that show us what we truly are, far more than our abilities. And I love these wooden bookmarks just because they hold up so well. They don't get the little creases. They don't break. I'm sure I could break it, but I'm not going to because they're beautiful. Floofy stuff. I've got a poster in here. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the lights. There we go. Having a hard time focusing today, but it's beautiful. And cute little Dreamy and Co bag. Little print, nope, postcards, little postcards. It's got Slytherin, which I'm gonna have to hide from my Slytherin daughter. Hufflepuff, gonna be so cute little badger, even though badgers in real life are really mean. Sweet little Gryffindor lion. Gryffindor, tried and true right here. What house are you in? And then Ravenclaw. That was an amazing box. I love Harry Potter. I love Fantastic Beasts. I love J.K. Rowling in general. So do you like her books? Do you have a favorite? what's your favorite book? What's your favorite movie? Because my favorite book is Prisoner of Azkaban, but my favorite movie is probably the first Fantastic Beast, just because Newt Scamander is so adorable. I just kind of want to put him in my pocket and keep him there because he's so sweet. But that's all for today. Have a happy Boxing Day, whether you're hitting the sales or relaxing and eating leftovers, which is kind of what I'm doing, and enjoying the presents, which is what my kids are doing. And obviously what I'm doing. But I hope you guys are having a great holiday season, a great break, and I'll see you soon. Bye.